So let's talk about your SOPs. Your SOPs are your standard operating procedures, or the best way to put it is pretty much a manual for all the tasks that you complete in your business. So in order to help your SOPs keep organized and also to assign them to any of your tasks within your rounds, all you got to do is head over to the SOP section here. In here, you'll find a list of SOPs that you can go and create. Now, it is possible to import SOPs in your settings with one of our partners, or you can go and create your own from scratch. It's also possible to copy and paste any existing standard operating procedures that you might have into this software and then connect them to your rounds. Let's take a look at just how to go and do that. So first of all, in here to create a new SOP, you simply click the create your first SOP button or click new SOP will be in the top corner. Inside here, you can give your SOP a name. So I'm just going to call this one check my emails. And inside here, I can add a very short description to explain what it is. I can also organize it into a folder if I've got folders set up. I can also organize these into any of our main categories. Now, within daily rounds, we split ourselves into four main categories: general, delivery, system, and growth. It's just a way to help organize your SOPs into a certain area, just so you understand exactly what it is you have in place to help your business grow, to manage your systems, to deal with client delivery or customer delivery, and also just general SOPs for the day-to-day running of your business. Then all you do is you write out your SOP into this box down here. Put as much information as you need. My advice would be to keep it as simple as possible and just have little steps and bullet points just to remind you what you need to do. The whole idea of an SOP is to help stop thinking time. You want to make sure that when you open this up, you don't have to think about these processes that you're going through in your daily rounds. The best way to build habits is to not really have to think, is for it to come natural. And if you try and relate this to, say, brushing your teeth, you don't think about the process of brushing your teeth because you kind of have a process that you do and it just becomes a habit. And that's exactly the kind of thing we're trying to do here with our SOPs and our daily rounds. So keep this process as simple as possible. Then once you put your info into here, you'll be able to go and create your SOP by clicking the Create SOP button, and it will hold it inside here as an uncategorized SOP. If you like to add a folder, you can simply click the Add Folder button and give your folder a name in here. So I'm just going to call this one Info. Give it a brief description if you need to, and click Create Folder. If you want to then go and add this into there, you can simply edit your SOP, choose the folder you want to add it into, and click Save Changes and keep it all organized. Now, once you've built out your SOPs, it's possible to search your SOPs up here. Over time, you'll probably build more and more of these. So this makes it a lot easier for you to go and find the information you want. Not only will it just search titles, it'll also search the content of your SOP as well, because I know sometimes you need to find certain steps. It's just much easier to go and do it by having a detailed search like this. Now, once you've got your SOP created, it's possible to go and attach these SOPs to any of your tasks that have set up. To do that, you can head over to your task manager in here. You can go and find the tasks that you want to edit or create any one from scratch. And then once you're within here, you can choose the SOP from the list and connect to it and click Update Task. You'll then find that that is now connected to your tasks on your daily rounds, so you can access that SOP whenever you need to go and complete any task within the software.